Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, countdown timers are perfect for promotions, launches, and even limited time offers. So in today's video, I will show you how to add a countdown timer on Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, and let's get started by going through wix.com. So basically, look for it in your browser, then it will open this new window where you should usually log in using your email address and password. Now it's time, so we can go to tab design site, so we can open the Wix website editor. All we're gonna do now is wait a couple seconds till it fully opens. So we can actually access the elements and the editor tools and all of that. So all we're gonna do now is wait. Okay, here it goes. We're gonna go and tap on this add elements. So as you see here, we have multiple options, text, images, buttons. So basically we're gonna take a look. As you see, strip. You have these options as well. We have this option, decorative, basically basic shapes, features, video box. As you see, video mask, and all of this. As basically today, we are looking for a timer. So basically, we're gonna keep checking. Basically, looking here for a timer. So date and time picker, let visitors set a specific time and date, show visitors when they can book a class or appointment with you. Also have this countdown timer. Booster said with countdown timer, you can use this as well. It's basically an app that you're gonna download or whatsoever. You can also use that. Or we can basically just, okay, for example, how to add time charge first to Wix bookings app. You can also check that one. You can also access this one as well. Okay, but let's go back now for this interactive options. We have this promotion, as you see. So basically we can add these promotions to the timer by including the external app that I just showed you right now. We also have these promos that you can later use, promotion, and all of this. So it basically depends on you. Once the app is fully installed, you can then pick a time. You can even customize the timer design, choose when to end the action, then save from here and publish your site instantly. So that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.